So children, today we are going to start chapter number 13, doing words, which are also called as verbs. You have also studied this chapter in the previous class, if you remember. Look at the examples given, children. The boy jumps over the wall. Now you have to think in the mind, what is the boy doing? Ask this question in your mind. The boy is jumping. So this word jump expresses action. So therefore, jumps is action words or doing words or verbs. Okay, words that expresses action, or if they say something about the subject, they are called doing words or saying words or action words. In Hindi we call it kriya. What work is going on? Think in your mind. Look at the second example. Uncle Gopi washes clothes. So what is Uncle Gopi doing? He is washing the clothes. So this word washes expresses action. So this word is verb. Okay. Let us see the third example. The dog barks at the cow. What is the dog doing? Think in your mind. The dog is barking. So this word barks expresses action. Okay. So therefore, barks is verb. Next is the ship sails on water. Sails means moves. So what is the ship doing? It is moving in water. So this word sails is your verb. It is expressing action. So therefore, children, words jumps, washes, barks and sails expresses or express actions. They are doing words. They say something about the subjects. Boy, Uncle Gopi, dog and ship. You have studied about the subject, children. Subject means noun. So, when the words are saying something about the noun, these words are called action words or doing words or saying words or verbs. Okay. So therefore, children, doing words are called verbs. Verbs tell us about something, about what something or someone does. What something or someone is doing, that is being expressed by verbs. Next is, verbs are most important in all sentences. No sentence is complete without a verb. So therefore, children, every sentence, I have taught you what is a sentence. So every sentence must have a verb in it. Okay. Now this particular page, this I will explain you in the next class. Now based on what I have explained you now, there is an exercise given here. Exercise number A. Now here, children, you have to pick out the nouns and verbs from the sentences that are given here. Okay. The first one is, rabbits live in burrows. Burrows is the home of rabbits. So what is the verb here? Live. Okay, so live you write here below verbs. And where are the nouns? Rabbit is noun and burrows is also noun. So nouns I have already taught you. You all know it very well. Rabbits and burrows you write below nouns. Names you write here. And what action is being performed you write here. Okay. Cats mew gently. What are the cats doing? They are taking out sound. What is the sound? Mew. So mew is the verb and the noun is cats. So children, likewise, Rita learns her lessons regularly. Learns is the verb. Okay. Next 4 number, fish swim in water. So swim is the action being performed. So swim is verb. The clock tells us the time. Tells is the action. So tells you write here in verb. Always speak the truth. Speak you write below verbs. The train runs on rails. So runs you write over here. Okay. What is the action being performed? The train is running. The train is moving on the rails. So runs is the verb. The earth goes round the sun. So goes is the action. You write it below verb. Okay. Dolly wears a red coat. What is Dolly doing? She's wearing a red coat. So wears is verb. Ali helps his mother at home. What is Ali doing? Helping his mother. So helps is the action being performed. So whatever action words you see, children, they are only called as verbs. So you write it here in verbs column. Okay. This nouns, it is, if you want, you can do it as homework. Otherwise you can leave it, children. Okay. It is not required. Only you do this part, verbs part. Okay. So after doing this, let us come to question number B. Here you have to write down the words with the help of this help box given. Okay. All these words are verbs, children. They are action words. Sings, brings, drink. Okay. So you have to fill them over here. So I have done already. The first one is already done. Second one is Meena dash sweetly. So sings. Sings is the action word, right? The rain pours in the rainy season. This word. Pours. Number 4. Dogs guard our houses at night. The postman brings letters. So all these words that we have written in the blanks, children, these are action words. So therefore they are called as verbs. So you do them, okay, all 10 in your English grammar book, and question number C and D we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, you do this much and then we meet in the next class. Thank you, children.